Now if you see marked price, these are the students' doubt. This is for all the students who are from Hyderabad center who are watching it. I am clarifying your doubt. Marked price of a watch was 720. A man bought the watch. This is again an original staff selection commission question. A man bought the same for rupees 550. For rupees 550.80 after getting two successive discounts. After two successive discounts, first one is 10%. First one is 10%. Second discount is how much? Second discount is how much? Again an original previous year staff selection commission question. Options are 15%, 12%, next is 18%, next is 14%. Please write down this question, sir. 15, 12, 18 and 14. Right? 15, 12, 18 and 14. Imran, I will not discuss permutation and combination. You can ask your tuition teacher to explain a topic because you paid fees to them. I will discuss a topic according to a schedule. Please follow the schedule. Right? Now see here. Marked price of a watch is 720. A man bought the same for 550.80. Right? After two successive discounts, first one is 10. What is the second one? Now, if you see here, this question, again it will take 10 seconds to solve if you understand the process. Initially, it is 720. First one discount is 10%. Discount is 10. That means it will become 0.90. Next one I don't know, but the final value became 550.80. This is the equation. 720 discount is 10%. 10% is 1 by 10. On 1 by 10 decrease 0.9. Beta, see here beta. Listen carefully. If it is 15%, if the discount is 15%, this value will become 720 into 0.9. If it is 15 less, this value will be 0.85, equivalent to 550.80. 0.85, it is divisible by 17. 17 5s are 85. If this is divisible by 17, this should be divisible by 17. 17 3s are 51. 40. 17 2s are 34. 68. It is divisible by 17. Answer is 15.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.